Back at the Nike clearance store out in Santa Clarita. We got a pretty big freaking line. Had some crazy sales the last couple weeks. I don't think they had these slides my size. These are the Kobe slides right here, the Mamba slides. They got it for 20 bucks. Only size 8s though. We're starting with the size 9s. And we're seeing some of these refurbished items here, which is kind of interesting. Infinity Run 4s right here. I'm sorry, Invincible Run 3s, my bad. Invincible Run 3s, 90. Got Vomeros right here, 80. Got Pegasus Premiums right here. These are going for 100. Pegasus Plus, 100 as well. The Run Trainers. I'm trying to remember what these were going for. Ooh, they're actually cheaper than at Ross. You know that's an issue, dude. Come on, dude, Ross. What y'all doing? Got these for $60. I think Ross been having them for 70. More refurbs here. It looks like they're throwing all the refurbs in the regular aisles now. 78 for these. Vomeros going for 80. Max DM's 100. Trunners going for 50. I don't see all the extended size pricing that we did last week. Next gen's $80. Holy cow. Yeah, all the prices, really low prices are gone. Tatum 4s. Interesting color. I don't think I've ever seen that color. $60. KD 4s. These are the copper ones. 60 bucks. And you gotta be quick. That's why I did throw out a YouTube short while I was in store. Then I released that video for you guys. Hopefully you guys were able to take advantage. In the size 10s, I have seen a few of these extended tag items. We're gonna check a few other things. If you guys can buy off season backpacks and stuff like that, great to buy off season. Don't want to buy it right before school. Do got, these used to be called the RPM backpacks. I don't know what they're called now. $40 for these bad boys right here. These retail for $107. They got some budget backpacks right here, $20, $20. And then this one's super budgety, still 20 bucks. They got tons and tons and tons of apparel here. Apparently all kinds of t-shirts. I see so many freaking t-shirts. This one right here is super interesting. It looks hella thick and just the elastic up here. Really freaking nice, 20 bucks. I never really understood these. It's a hoodie, but your arms are cold. I don't know, kind of like a vest. But yeah, these are $30, normally $75. Got some jerseys right here. I think these were the ones that were in the front of the store last week. Got Jalen Brunson right here. Yeah, I think these are all 50 bucks. It's just a small, extra small. Then got some books right here, 50 bucks. Got smalls, got mediums, got larges. Got John Morant going for 50 bucks. I see smalls, I see larges. I see extra large. See mediums. See a few different sizes, triple XL, XL. Then I see UCLA. These look so weird. They look so cheap looking. They look hella bootleg. I don't know. They're freaking Jordan brand though. Screen printed. They got a few different sizes, and then Kawhi Leonard, large and smalls. Back to the sneakers, we're in the size 10, and they got some Air Max DMs. Look, they got a few of these still. $50. Pegasus Wave 40. Another Pegasus Wave right here. I'm looking specifically for the gray tags, 40 bucks. I think that's it, man. I can't even see anymore. In the size 10, do got these right here. Jordan 4 RMs, kind of a bread. Kind of, sort of, not really. I don't know. Is that worth it? 70 bucks? Bizak Lows, 80. Rejuvenates right here, 35. Might be one of the cheapest prices we've seen for those. Those are hella loud. Dunks going for 50. 80 for the Vomero 5s right here. Forces right here going for 60. What are these? Some faux snakeskin in a purple and gray. Kind of a interesting color. Way right there, 80. In the 10.5, where we do still have a few leftover $25 Jordan Trunners. Got a couple of those. LD 1000s, 25 bucks. Can't stress to you guys how you guys do have to act quick. I know y'all are like, hey, resale's dead, but when there's crazy steals like that, fools still come out and grab a ton of stuff. Cortez right here, 50 bucks. We got I think one of these is, yeah, there you go, 50 bucks. 50 bucks Jordan 4 RMs. 50 for these interesting looking forces right here. The Nike Gatos right here. These are the what are these? The indoor soccer shoes. Got some Quick Strike Nike Dunk highs right here. These are going for 90 freaking dollars. You've seen these at the skate shops. That's the Dipper right there. I don't know if that's the Big Dipper or Little Dipper. Oh, that's the Big Dipper. This is the Little Dipper right there. Okay. Something to do with astrology or something. I don't really know much about those. 35 for KDs right here. These are size 10. 35 for KDs. That is crazy. Valentine's Air Max 90s right here. $70. That is hella cheap. Got multiple ones, and we've seen these even at the retail shops go for full price. And then the size 11, we see some of the deals I was telling y'all about. Some of you guys, I just really hope some of you guys are able to get some of these deals. Look at this, 15 bucks for soccer cleats, or is that football cleats? Maybe football cleats. Kill shots right here, $20. Janowski's, they got a few items still left. They're not like super hot items. Look at this, 50 bucks Air Max DN Roams. The Jordans right here, Jordan Flight Courts. They did have one of these for like 35 bucks. I probably should have grabbed it for my worker, but I'm hoping to grab something else. Hoping tomorrow, whoa, $60. Rejuvenate size for $20 freaking dollars. That's crazy. This Air Max DN, $40. 50 for this one right here, 11 and a half. Metcons, $40. 40 for this colorway. 25 for the free Metcon 6s. Actually, that's definitely the cheapest. We've seen those. Zoom Fly 4s right here, $40. I think we're one of the other Zoom Flies. Checking out some basketball shorts. This is actually like pretty good material. I actually like these Nike standard issue shorts. They're kind of like basketball shorts. 25 bucks normally, 60. They got these running shorts if you guys need to wear these running shorts. That's definitely not my style, but 30 bucks. Pretty interesting Jordan shirt right here. These look hella big though. Probably those loose fit shirts. These are going for 20 bucks. Small XL. I see plenty of sizes. Got Jordan shirts right here. Oh, they're all 20 bucks. Championship one right here. Got Jordan backpacks. This looks really, yeah, the straps are super thick. Looks pretty nice. Not the biggest backpack, but looks pretty freaking premium. I don't see a price tag though. Okay, this one has a price tag, $105 down to $40. Got poofy jackets. I've been telling you guys about season. I got one similar to this. I think this one might be nicer than mine. And this one, I have a Jordan one. But yeah, $120, normally $200. But I guess I went because I got mine for way cheaper. They have a few of them. I've never seen refurb clothing. Maybe that's a new thing. Tech pack jacket right here, 50 bucks. I've never seen refurb jackets here. Oh, this one's cheaper than the refurbished price, $80. For this one, I have one very similar to that one. Pick mine up at Ross for 50 bucks. I'm telling you, buy off season if you can. $30 for these hoodies right here, just all white. And something interesting, we're starting to see refurb clothes at the clearance store, you guys. Totally makes sense. Moving on to the 12s. And we are seeing a few leftover extended size or extreme priced or whatever the hell you guys want to call it. But yeah, $40 for waves. Fortunately, it's not stuff that like we're all gonna want. Janowski's 20, LD 1000s 25. Yeah, this one's back to 35. Still a decent price. Dunk Quick Strikes right here. With all that cracked leather, 80 bucks. Black Forces. These straight, yeah, these are all black Air Forces right here. Don't see sales on these, especially at size 12. Especially at size 12 men's. $80 for those. That's a hell of a deal. I'm not even a fan of Forces, to be really honest, but I do know when certain things are never on sale like that, which those are rarely ever on sale, especially size 12. Got these GT Cut Turbo 3s. Yeah, GT Cut 3 turbos, $100. And still got these Gore-Tex Vomero 18s, 80 bucks. Yeah, look, that totally makes sense. They should have had these here a long time ago. Just a friendly reminder, all sales are final here. If you do get like the wrong size, they will let you size swap things. Like, you know, if you fit a size 12 normally and then these don't fit for whatever reason, they usually will let you size swap it for like a 12 and a half, 13. I've done that before. But yeah, next gen's right here, 40 bucks. Just can't be doing that with 50 different things. 100 bucks for the LeBron 22s. These Zoom Fly 6s right here, $80. Apparently I'm in the size 13 now. Monarchs 40. Hardcores right here, some tennis shoes, 40 bucks. And we only go to size 13. There's really nothing bigger than that. There's like 2 or 3 size 14s. That's about it. Wow, Spizikes go for 80. Books right here, 80. Jordan 4 RMs, 70. Man, they used to have so many freaking size 14, 15, 16, 17s. They were so cheap. All right, my kiddo did want to get his mom something very specific. Let me see if they have them. This is a place to not go to when you want something real specific, but she was looking for some specific dunks, some corduroy dunks? But I doubt they're gonna have them. But look at this, $40 for a grade school dunk, size 6, 70 for the ends. Got ones go for 80. LeBron 22s 80. Air Max 90s go for 50 bucks. 60 for the Jordan 4 RMs. All kinds of Air Max DN8s right here, 70. Don't see any corduroy dunks to these right here. These are kind of close, but no cigar, 50 bucks. Jordan 1 Hot OGs 80. 6.5. Two got Shocks R4s. No price on that one, but they do have the price on this one, 50. A1s 40. Guys, 50. And I was really that lazy, I didn't even show you those R4s. I'm so stupid. My bad, you guys. I'm too lazy to go back to it. My bad. But yeah, these are bright as hell. God dang, dude. Holy cow, these are bright. Bad boys going for 40. Got like 10, 15 minutes left. 60. And then FYI for the women's section, here's a 10 and above right here. My bad, technically 10 and a half and above. These ain't even that size. If there's anything extended size, price 100 bucks. If you can find one of these sample ones, these are really well priced. Well, maybe not that one. Man, what the hell? They messing with me. Like this one right here, this sample one right here, $40. Yeah, some of these just aren't marked because it's the same one as that one. Nike by You. If you get lucky and you happen to be here and they have a bunch of these, hella cheap, 30 bucks. Like these right here, these are freaking huge. Size 16. Something for Big Feet Gang, $30. Janowski's 30. Another Nike by You Janowski right here, 30. Size 11. They got these Air Max or Shocks right here. Shocks Z's right here, 30. That's the one I meant. Air Max Muse. That one is 40. That's about it though. 7.5 women's section over here. We still do see some extended size price items. Like these Air Max Muse, 40. Shocks R4s right here, 40. These weird Shocks, again, 35. Dunks, even Dunks right here. Oh yeah, I'm not a fan of those, but yeah, $30. A1s, 25. Not on any of the stuff that I might find useful for my kid's mom, so you can give to her. Did this go from 69 to 99? Is that right? That sounds a little weird. Infinity Run 4s right here, 80. Air Max 270s. These are going for 80. Proners, 30. Air Max 95s, 100 bucks. Oh my God, these are so hideous looking, $80. Got Next Nature Dunks right here, 80. Max Dons, 25. Kids apparel, certain things, 20% off. Right here it just says fleece tops though. I got a little poofy jacket. Not a fleece top, I guess, $80. All this stuff right here, an extra 20 off, that's 30. These hoodies right here, I don't see. Oh, here it is. Hoodie right here, 20. So 20, another 20 off. But I feel like for kids, it's like the worst thing to buy off season because they freaking grow so quick, and on top of that, freaking Yeah, they could just have a crazy growth spurt. You never know. You never know. $60. Sometimes they could even skip sizes if they have such a big growth spurt. There's women's, I think. Oh, maybe this is women's. Women's. Oh, no, these are boys. $20. Yeah. Mostly winter stuff. I'm not going to cover it too much because, like I said, it's tough to buy off-season for kids. Yeah, it's tough to buy off-season. Like, prices are crazy, but probably why all the off-season stuff an extra 20 off. You see a little bit for the women's section as well, but I don't want to make it seem like I'm being creepy with the women, so I usually don't. Yeah, I usually don't look too much into the women's section, especially if it's packed. I want people to think I'm like taking video of them. But yeah, another 20% off men's stuff right here. So if you can buy off-season, you know, all this stuff going for 25. Not bad. The color's not bad on these. The color's not bad. They got olive green, a little bit of that stuff right here. 40 for those. And then the rest of all these are 25. Tech fleece right here. And this is like the super baggy version right here. 20% off of these bad boys right here as well. But I don't see a price tag. Oh, this one got a price tag. Look at this. XL, 50 bucks. 20 off on top. So $42 for those. I'm not going to lie. I've not been buying too much tech fleece. I do have plenty at home. But I'm going to be honest. I've been trying to wear more cotton stuff. Most of the tech fleeces has a ton of polyester in it. Trying to get away from that. I did forget to show you guys what I am wearing. Black cement 3s. I freaking love Jordan 3s. I've always liked the 4s, but for wifey gang, Jordan 3s way better. They don't have like the plastic on the outside, so you don't get all that crushing the hell out of your wide ass feet. But yeah, this is the 2018 release. And pretty freaking clean, not 100%, but pretty freaking clean. And then threw on jeans and a t-shirt, some Levi's. Then a Banana Republic t-shirt. I haven't bought Banana Republic t-shirts in a while. Like, the material is just so freaking thick on these. I'm a huge fan. First time wearing this t-shirt. Freaking love it. I think I need to go pick up my kiddo, though, and need to take that fool to the mall so he can find something for his mom for Mother's Day. Hope you guys had a great Mother's Day and all that stuff. Trying to get as much videos as possible for you guys, but kind of limited because I have to take my kid to places and stuff like that. But yeah, I think that's about it. That's about it. They got refurb merch here. Refurb price is really freaking good. I think the apparel prices here have always been really good, but I think that's it, you guys. Got plenty more coming. Stay tuned. We out, man. We out.